Good evening students, how are you? Welcome to my channel Redefine Mathematics. Let us start our first topic, that is polynomial. You know, polynomial is very interesting and very easy topic. Polynomial, what is polynomial? Before knowing the polynomial, we must know some things like what is variable, what is constant. Do you know what is constant? We have the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. These numbers have their fixed values, so they are known as constant because the values never change according to question or question to question. In each and every question, the value of these things remain same, so they are known as constant. In the other side, we have some things, they change their values time to time according to question. Like some things like we have x, y, z, a, b, c, because their value change according to the question. Here x has some values in one question, on the other hand it has other values in other questions. So these types of things are known as variable. We have the constant and the variables. The combination of constant and variables is known as polynomials. Yes? So, is it clear that what are the constant and what are the variables? Now, the combination of constant and variables are known as polynomials. Example, 3x plus 4, 5x square plus 3x minus 9, etc. So, here you can see these are 1 and 1, 2 terms, and this is having 3 terms. And on the other hand, you can see here is the power of x is 1, here the power of x is 2, here the power of x is 1. So you can see that there are many types of polynomials. Yes students, now I think you have the clear sense about constant and variables. Now as you know, the combination of constant and variables is known as polynomials. So according to the parts of polynomial, here you see there are 2 parts, or you can say 2 terms in this polynomial, and here is 3 terms in this polynomial. And on the other hand, you see here is the highest power of variable is 1, so degree of this is 1, and here is 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. So there are 2 types of dividation on the basis of power and on basis of their degree. So types of polynomials. We have 2 types of polynomial on the basis of their terms and on basis of their degree. What is degree? The highest power of variable. So on the basis of terms, example, if polynomial having single term, only one term, there is no positive or negative sign between these terms, so this is known as monomial. Three x square, 5xyz, etc. So you see here is only one term, so this is known as monomial. On the other hand, binomial. 3x square plus 7x, 9x cube minus 3xy, etc. So here you see there are two terms. So this is known as binomials, and binomials having two terms. And similarly, trinomial. It is having three terms. Like 3x cube plus 7x minus 9, or 5x square plus 7x plus 8. Here you see there are three terms. So this is known as trinomials. And if you are having four terms, that is known as quadruple, and so on. Or on the other hand, you can say this is a polynomial having three terms. This is a polynomial having two terms. This is a polynomial having one terms. On the other hand, we can see the polynomial, types of polynomial, the basis of their degree. So if polynomial is having 1 degree, so this is known as linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Degree is 1. On the other side, number 2, quadratic. It is having degree 2. Example, 7x square plus 5x minus 9. You can see this is a trinomial having degree 2. So because the highest power of x is 2, so it is known as quadratic polynomial. And other hand, cubic polynomial. This is having degree 3. Example, 7x cube or 5x minus 9x cube plus 8. Any type. 5x cube minus 9x square plus 8. So this is cubic polynomial, and so on. Now you have some exercise work to do yourself. Question number 1. Write an example of a polynomial with 3 degree. Question number 2. Write an example of a binomial with degree 36. Question number 3. Pick out the polynomial on the basis of their degree and also write their name. Number 1, 5x plus 3x square minus 9. Number 2, 7x plus 3x square y plus 9. Number 3, 3x square y plus 5xy minus 3. And number 4, 7x square. Number 5, 5x minus 9. Yes, here you see that the power of x is 2 and the power of y is 1. So total power of this is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So here the degree of this polynomial is 3, not the 2. Yes, question number 4. Pick out the polynomial on the basis of their term. And also write their name. Number 1, 7xy plus 6. Number 2, 6x cube minus 9x plus 5. Number 3, 3x square plus 2x plus 9x cube minus 8. And number 4, 3xyz. So you have to write their degrees and also write the name. And in this question, you have to write number of terms and also write their names according to the terms. And now you have to do one thing also, that you have to write the coefficient of each and every question. Coefficient of x in first part, second part, third part and fifth part, and coefficient of x in first, second, third, fourth part. Yes, now you have to solve these 4 questions, and if you have any problem, then you can comment me on the comment section, and you can also write the answers of these questions in the comment section. We will discuss these questions in the next video. Till then, good night. Thank you.